Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Let us understand what is basic psychology and what is applied psychology. So what does basic means? Basic means to know the basic principles of particular subject, which can be psychology in this case. Basic means to seek knowledge for the sake of knowing something. Basic is purely for the research purposes, to know, to understand, to provide the theories, to form the principles. So basic knowledge is gained to help us to apply that knowledge when it is required. So in basic, we generally seek knowledge, we generally gain knowledge, we collect knowledge, and we try to research on those basic principles which we have learned to maybe enlighten ourselves regarding the subject. So for example, how do children and adults different in addictive tendencies? If I want to know this, I will going to do some data collection, I will be going to collect data, I will research on that data, I will analyze that data. That is what is basic. Now what is applied? If I apply my knowledge which I have gained here, I apply that knowledge to help somebody, that is applied psychology. So studying psychological issues in order to apply the findings, in order to help people using those theories and those principles which I have learned through my basic research. So when I use this basic knowledge to apply it in my profession, to apply it to solve problems, then it is called applied psychology. In this case, where I was doing some basic research on how children and adults differ in addictive tendencies, if I apply that knowledge to how can we predict addictive tendencies in adolescents to prevent adult addiction. So now here what I am doing, I am not only collecting the data, I am also applying that knowledge to prevent some problem which is going to happen in future. So this is what applied is. As the name suggests, applied means to apply something. So in basic, you are just gaining the knowledge for the maybe the basic knowledge for the research purpose, or maybe your interest in the subject. But in applied psychology, you actually want to use that knowledge in real life, you want to apply that knowledge. So this is what basic and applied means. Thanks for watching.